Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Allure beauty box for the month of August and I'm really excited to dive into it and see what we got. First, I have to say I love my shirt. This is a Reptar from Rugrats, if you didn't notice that, and it's so cute. This is like just a silly t-shirt that I would probably just wear at home. It's actually a little cropped, which is not my favorite just for me personally, but I just could not resist with some sweats at home. It's just like the perfect little top, and yeah, it's really cute. I found it for $10 tonight while I was looking for some other stuff and I love it. So yeah, love that. I found this at TJ Maxx, by the way, if you are interested in trying to find it. Good luck though. I would run and check the juniors department really quick. So enough about my shirt, which is totally unrelated. So the Allure beauty box is $15 a month. I have really been enjoying it. I sound like a broken record because ever since December I feel like they've really stepped it up, and most of the time I'm really happy with it. So they do have a mixture. Sometimes you'll get maybe one or two full size, and then mostly you're going to get like smaller sample sizes, but it's been pretty stellar. I've been really impressed with it, and usually I think it's money well spent. So let's dive in and see what we got in the month of August. Oh, and I definitely should point out too that obviously I have no makeup on. My skin is just like clean. That's it. I've had a very long few days and I was just so tired, and I'm like, you know what, it's okay, I'm gonna go bare skin. They're gonna be okay with it, hopefully you guys don't mind. But I do believe that there are some skincare items in here, so I thought we would just like quickly try them out, and you know, why not put them to the test real quick. We'll do like a little first impressions with it. So they do typically come in these little like vinyl plasticky kind of bags. I think they're pretty cute. A lot of people don't like them from what I've seen from other people. I am getting like this collection of them that I don't necessarily need. I think I might actually have one that is this green color too, so I may put some stuff in my next giveaway in the bag just to like hold it all together, a little added protection. So I think I have one this color. I think they're pretty cute, especially for summer. Like, it's definitely like a vibe. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive in. The first thing I see is a mini makeup eraser. So I actually have a makeup eraser, and I actually have some other cleansing cloths too, so I have like enough of these. So I will put this as like a little extra in my giveaway. That giveaway is going on right now, so you can go check my vlog from this previous Monday. So I think it's vlog number 97. Don't quote me on that, but I will have it linked below as my latest vlog so that you guys can go enter the giveaway if you want. I got a lot of good things in here. This will just be like a little extra. Oh, we got an Erno Laszlo Multitask Eye Serum Mask. Ooh, I think I will put this on. So this is what the little package looks like. I think I might have some of these that I picked up at TJ Maxx. I'm not 100% sure. It says this is a all-in-one hydrogel eye patch formulated with a powerhouse of ingredients to tackle the major signs of under-eye dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. And if you can't tell, I look really tired right now. Like, I'm definitely in need of some extra sleep, so let's try these out. Okay, so this is what they look like. Oh wow, so these are pretty clear. Let's pop them on. Yes, hydrate me. So we'll just leave them on and see what they do. So that was just like a little single use pack of these, but not a bad item to receive. I think I'm liking them so far. Next we have something from Primera. Now this is a newer skincare brand. You can find this at Ulta. So this is the Alpine Berry Water Cream. It says hydrate and glow. So they are formulated by the same company that makes Amore Pacific. So I'm actually really excited to try this. Usually like Tiny Skincare I don't get that pumped about, but because they're like a sister company to Amore, I'm like, I'm very intrigued. So this is the little container, really cute. This is a pretty affordable price point too, so if you're interested in, you know, trying some really nice skincare that isn't crazy expensive, you might want to try this out. So I'm just gonna put a little on, kind of go in the areas where I don't have the eye mask. It kind of does have like, I know like it doesn't say pine, it says alpine, which I don't know the difference, but it kind of has that natural forest scent. Is that weird? I don't mind it. It's mild, but it actually smells a little bit like a Christmas tree. The texture is very nice. I have been pretty addicted to my skincare routine lately, so I don't know that I'll like switch everything up, but I will try this once I am done with my current moisturizer from Allure and B. I really like that one. Okay, So pretty nice, just a little guy of that, but I could probably use this for, you know, 4 or 5 days, maybe even a week, and see how I like it. So it says this has glycerin and cocoa seed butter, and it says it's a bouncy gel cream, feels rich but also absorbs fast. Next we have a Benefit They're Real mascara, just a little mini guy of that. I will also put this aside with the mini makeup eraser, just again as little bonus items for my giveaway. I actually love this mascara. I have it. It gives a lot of like definition. It separates the lashes and gives length. It's not like super voluminous, but you can build it up and put on a second coat to give more volume. But I love that one for, you know, like nice fanned out long lashes. I don't know, I really like Benefit mascaras. I think they're really good. Next we have something from Cargo. This is the Essential Lip Color. My camera has decided to stop focusing on anything. So this is the lipstick. It's called Bordeaux, so it's a pretty dark like berry shade. I don't really see myself wearing this. I have a ton of lipsticks and this is not the shade that I typically go for, so rather than swatch and ruin it, I will also put this into my giveaway. You know, nothing against it, I just have so many lipsticks that I need to declutter, and I would rather not swatch and ruin this lipstick when I can give it to one of you guys. So 3 little items going in that giveaway, so be sure to go enter that. There's a ton more things in there, but yay, so a few little items. That always makes me happy too, to share with you guys. So every subscription box I'm looking like, okay, what can I give and what can I keep? Because I love getting these subscription boxes, but then again, like your stuff really piles up when you get them, so I'd rather just share with you guys. Next we have something from Nuria. This is the Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. It says it has mulberry root and ginseng, which is native to China. So I haven't really heard of this brand very much, so I'm gonna pull this out and see what it says. Oh, it showed the Cargo lipstick in this color, which I kind of wish I had gotten that, because I would definitely go for that. Like orangey reds and corals are definitely right up my alley right now. So it says this goes for $40. The Cargo lipstick goes for $22, by the way, but this goes for $40. It says it has an unusual, very useful applicator. A plastic disc prevents you from pressing too hard. It says that can wrinkle your delicate under eyes, and it helps to spread the product evenly. Its antioxidant rich formula absorbs quickly and wears well under makeup. It says it doesn't crease my concealer. Okay. It brings down morning puffiness and moisturizes to visibly plump fine lines. Okay, so let's take it out and see what we got here. So here's the packaging. Oh, okay, so that is a very interesting applicator for sure. I don't actually see where it says how long to leave the under eye mask on. They are starting to kind of like peel apart, so I'm pressing them in. So I'm gonna let them sit for a few more minutes and then we'll come back and finish up, and I definitely want to try this out. So I'm gonna kind of pause for a second and let this sit, and then we will try out this eye cream. Okay, so they're starting to peel away. I think my skin is really absorbing the like moisture in here, and it feels really nice. Like the under eye definitely feels hydrated. It's very cooling too. I like these. They've stayed in place for a little while, but like once it starts to absorb, it kind of like falls away from the skin. But I feel like that gave me a little bit boost of brightness, boost of moisturization. So yay, let's try out this Nuria. So again, it's the Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. So I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit. You don't need much with eye cream. Actually, like the size of a cooked grain of rice is usually enough. I know I always tend to go overboard with eye cream, but you know, what are you gonna do? Those eye patches really hydrated because this eye cream doesn't really want to absorb that well, and maybe because I use a little bit too much, but like it's not dry at all because those eye patches are really hydrated. So my under eye should be looking snatched tomorrow, nice and hydrated and fresh. I would definitely get some more of those eye patches though. I like that. I look more awake now than I did at any point in time during today. I was so tired. Now my under eyes look way more rested. So I actually really like that. My under eyes still feel really cool. I'm actually really enjoying that combination. I've got one more product. This is by Laritzi, and this is the Liquid Beam Multi-Use Liquid Illuminator. So here is the box. All right, so here is the Liquid Beam. And this is the shade Topaz. So I'll just give this a swatch. I don't think I'm gonna put it on the lip. This honestly looks like a gloss. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this bent. But that's what it looks like. It kind of looks more glossy. I'm a little confused because, you know, you kind of expect like a glittery whatever, but that's okay. So it basically is saying it's a liquid shadow with a glossy wet finish. Okay, so it's going to give more of a wet look to the eye. That's pretty interesting. You don't see a lot of those. So as I'm blending it out, it's really just doing whatever that is right there. So I think I do want to try this on the eye really quick. Like, why not? I can always wipe it off, even though I like moisturize my eye area really good. So I'm just gonna, so you can use it all over the eye. I don't know if that will really do anything for you guys. So I do think this is cute. It just definitely has like a wet sparkly look to it. It's not overly glittery, it's just like a little sparkle, and I guess I just wonder if it's going to dry down. So I'm just gonna fan it a little bit and see if it's, you know, staying sticky or what's going on. If it dries and still has that wet look, I actually would be really intrigued to wear this, maybe for like a natural no makeup look and just a little something. But it feels like it's just a little tacky. Yeah, there's a little tack to it. I don't know how I feel about this. I'll definitely have to like wear it and see how it turns out, but there's definitely like a tack. Like I feel it kind of like pull my eyelid as I pull my finger off of it. You know, just that little stick. Once I've dabbed and dabbed and dabbed, you're really just seeing like this little fine sparkle, which is actually really pretty. I'm very intrigued. I just need to like try it some more, and I'll definitely let you guys know if I do like this and use it. It goes for $22, so it's not cheap. I do feel like my lid is just sticking a little bit, as if like almost like I had like an eye primer on, like that type of like stickiness. I'll just have to try it out and see what I think. Popping this in the center over powder eyeshadow, I would be worried that it might like, you know, break apart the shadow. So yeah, jury's out on this. I'll definitely have to try it. I'm interested in it for sure, because it's definitely something different. It's got a different feel to it. So just a little recap. We did get the little makeup eraser. We got the Benefit Their Real Mini Mascara. We got the Cargo Full Size Essential Lip Color. So again, those things will be going into the giveaway that is going on right now. That vlog is linked below with the giveaway. We got the Nuria Defend Eye Cream. And then of course we got this Laritzi Liquid Beam for Eyes. We got our little bag. And then we got the Erno Laszlo under eye patches, which of course I used. I really enjoyed those. And I really enjoyed the Nuria Eye Cream. I already love their Real and makeup erasers are pretty decent. So that is everything in my Allure beauty box. It's a pretty good value, even considering like, you know, you're paying $22 for this, $22 for this. You've definitely more than made your money up just with those two items. The eye cream goes for $40 if I didn't mention that, so a pretty good deal. And then the rest of the things being like smaller items, you can't beat it. I think that's a pretty good deal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and definitely leave me some comments below. Let me know if you've tried Allure Beauty Box or any of these products, if you like them, if you don't. And if any of you have tried this from Laritzi, let me know what you liked about it and like what your favorite way to wear it is, because I'm definitely intrigued to try it out, and I will do that really, really soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!